okay, all the meta this video. Can I share this video? Now, no quick if I had it. As a go, learn how to control your emotion. Because at the end of the day, it will be your word against your own word. You gotta go. Father, our own father, Nwebe, only out of anger, always say Evangelist Ebuka Obi. No, what I'm not at this age, you know, I ask myself, yeah, Father Nwebe, joy, na Evangelist Ebuka Obi, kelonye tolo. It is obvious that Father Nwebe joy molo Evangelist Ebuka Obi amo. So, kelife batana ngwa na onwe ga no bo nwanyi, kelife ji bo no nwanyi. At your own age, why na enu bo nwanyi? Onye ka nja sego. Nde mwe Father Nwebe joy gwe nya na kpuo n'uno. Nya na kpuo n'uno because ụmụazị ejie mere ife egwuregwu. Kelu ka ngwa nwoke anu bo nwanyi. Si wee na agwa nwoke ọzọ anụ bụ nwaanyị ịtọrọ atọ na ọgbọ ya anụcha na nwaanyị jide ụmụ ka o nwere ife zoro ezo ịchọghị ịgwa anyị because I heard them talk about a 6-year-old boy who is in America. Onwe something I don't want to pay attention to that because always eziokwu I don't want to put my mouth there, but is he trying to confirm something to us? Otherwise, how can a reverend father put that openly now what okay Israel oath of celibacy. Evangelist Ebuka Obi can swear his own oath of celibacy to himself. Ocho will decide not for the sake of the only thing do if gonna difference do if gonna MLO na a Catholic church as a mother church. But Nyawa take the decision on his own. Man, go there with the same thing. So he's supposed to hear that. All name as a man who old. Not supposed to read wine. You don't suppose to read wine. You don't know. Makomo keke. Nyawa ungo keke. Ufala ajikana achilefi. Let us not be misguided by the likes of Matthias or how undena kologaka and indena no for them back ogo. They are the people, and there may be personal jealousy or hatred, which I don't know. Because why I say there may be personal hatred or jealousy, as controversial as Apostle Johnson Suleiman, you said you love him. Now, Apostle Johnson Suleiman, after he had to go involved in so many scandals, we defended him then. During the time of every other thing, Evangelist Ebuka Obi to go involved in there as controversy or scandals. Aside, Magaranke follow higher call about both Evangelist Ebuka Obi nkaho ebo so ha plan or work because all the guy work the man of famous go no now which is a pure scandal. Actually, a column break. I want to hear my brother guy, man. I hate go. Apostle Johnson Suleiman, he choose go because hey, the child thank God for the kind of wife. Oh, no. You said you love him despite all those controversy and scandals now hanging on his neck. You will say, now look at Apostle Johnson Suleiman. Upon all the scandals and we go about him, he still maintain a happy home. Why are you so much interested in home, marriage, whether no Virginia or not? Why are you so much interested in that angle? A signal you are trying to pass to us that we don't understand, that we are not understanding. If Apostle Johnson Suleiman can still maintain a happy home after all those scandals and controversies, and Evangelist Ebuka Obi is still running a successful ministry, very successful in case you don't know, my dear lovely father. Very successful. In fact, the more the controversy and scandals about it now, the more church grow from strength to strength. The more ministry grow from strength to strength. The more honor announced to the world. the more people na rush ka ha bịa mara ife na-eme na this ministry. Look at the crowd of bịara na Zion yesterday. Look at how their Facebook coverage has increased overnight. See what jealousy and personal vendetta. I saw where you were telling us how Zion ministry started. We don't care. We don't care. You want to go? The Reverend Father will be coverage. Can the Reverend Father say the ministry is still moving from strength to strength? So all those stories you are telling us, we are not interested. Zion is there and it is there. You are playing work here. You can't do that. So go and ask about all the people who try Goruka family. I still repeat, it is so sad. Na Matthias Bujemonde Hammer. Na Piono left, right, and center. When you funu kumune, Mano Evangelist Ebuka Obi, and fellow clergymen Igbo Nukunu and Wemozu Lebefano. Matthias has proven to be the D1 to you people, the same way D1 over to very dark man. You want to go? Ono na eze kambo, when you funu ye memwe. Ocho self will receive you physically jam because you see ono na to ye when you funu ye me. Also Evangelist Ebuka Obi mo. Onye che tap grace. Onye show trend. Onye show can do mad Maria. Or Jewe Evangelist Ebuka Obi no. Happen on that man akaka. Yo mi ifenye na change we pure one. All the fake you need the fake. Mwolu makeje de woka. Ejede woka complete. Mabian kon. Very simple. You ought to go at a critical time like this. The church in are passing through a lot of persecutions and the time either Bomunike, Napochunike, National Virgin and Dow Virgin. Ebuka Obi decide or swell any oath to Nunoka. I did go there with one yechi, on when penalty I ye, on when you sanction here, on when crime or committing that I did go there with one yechi. Yes, yes, he is also different for you because Neji with one yechi all Wahala call. He doesn't owe any, in fact, by saying it, he doesn't even owe anybody anything because this is a decision he'll make by himself. He might decide to sleep and wake up and break it tomorrow. So I don't know why you are just entertaining some people, and I hope you know those in are entertained. Let us not allow the devil to use us. That is my own. We have fought so much to make this body of Christ to remain strong, and I hope no blonde to kono ndai na anu Lord gwa nde so na ndai na defend if protect if ya bia kporo aja na aga wi na gare happen wikuku run away from wikuku ye end the career osa with all due respect. Run away from wikuku. He is so emotional and sentimental because of Fadambaka we born away breaking loose. You want to go fighting so hard to protect and defend the image of Father Mbaka. Chef one Evangelist Ebuka Obi image of somebody. And the same way he's fighting hard, is the same way other people are fighting hard again. You are trying to protect and defend Mbaka. Those people are trying to protect and defend Evangelist Ebuka Obi. There is no two ways about it. So there is nothing you can do to change what is happening right now, except no maintain your boundary. Maintain your boundary and respect yourself. I've been able to post a video. Mbaka has issued warning. Evangelist Ebuka Obi issue warning. Mbaka issue warning. Celebrate the last time Evangelist Ebuka Obi kulu na obolo no na akusi ife de to akidi ni nka bugari kwa nke Mbaka okonye go warning. Eche nurse Evangelist Ebuka Obi weye na enye warning. Why is he warning people? Father Mbaka enye go warning. We kuku analyze that the video on afubo ife. I know on this social media app. We buy here. We go nowhere. We buy here. On have to go a new set of bloggers with a kind of spirit. Yeah, match all the Anomalo and the Alois on Facebook. We there here. We are going nowhere. Yeah? We are going nowhere until Obosun decide that it should get back to our senses. Yeah? Need to before me. The mother go ladies na camera. But I have a delicious elimeli before me. You want to go? I have a delicious ceremony before me, and I have to take it down. Let me move this mountain that is here.